Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came out with another project. I'm working on my 2014 Silverado. Month back on driver's side door window stopped working. I thought window regulator stopped working. So I installed new one, but it didn't solve the problem, so I have to dig deeper to find out why. So I'm going to figure it out and get it fixed. So let's start. I already have removed door assembly. And here is the door wiring harness connector. Let's find the problem. Okay, here is the broken cable that caused the problem. Now let's fix this issue. Sorry, guys, my phone died in between, so I couldn't record the video. But I already connect the broken cable. Let's connect all the connector and put back the door assembly. I have put back the door. Let's start the truck and see. It's working. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. I'll see you in next video.